Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I don't have my motorcycle or anything, but I have a bicycle. But I have this, check this out, the Iron JIA'S, and it's the Your Buddy or So Must Be on the Way. I'm gonna show you this. And it's a, let's see what we got here. We have some pads here. We have a nice, let's see, I'll show you here in a sec. Oops, sorry, the box is falling down, but look at this jacket. It's a nice motorcycle jacket. So it's be good for motorcycling, off-roading, whatever. I'm gonna put it on. Oh, it's got an inner liner and everything. It's got the, here, I'll show you guys here for a second. It's got this inner fuzzy liner there, and then it's got the jacket there. I'll put it on. Hopefully you'll still be able to hear me. Ooh, it's nice and warm. Definitely for winter use. I don't remember what size I even got. There's my microphone's here, so we'll see what happens. If I know how to put on a jacket. There we go. So here we go, and the inner section, I'll pull this down. And so here we go. So as it is currently, it is just a really nice jacket. Let me see if I can show you guys it on me. So you see, just a really nice jacket. Let me see if I can put on my light. Yeah, I should have had this on the whole time, but there we go. So here we got a jacket. We have some nice pockets. We got flies all around me, but here we go. We got the zipper here for the inner section, so we can zip out if we wanted to the inner lining part. And then we have these extra pieces here, which are the padding stuff to give you more protection. So we have this, and we have these. Let's see what it says here. I'll open these up and kind of give you guys a little rundown on what everything is. So you got these pads and everything. Let's see, we got this. I think they'll zip in. Yep. So we have zipper sections here for relief and stuff. It'll go in for, you know, what's that? Elbows and shoulders. And so, yeah, so we got the different sections for them here. So we have the protective clothing stuff here where it kind of explains for your joints protector. And let's see, how do we, yeah, I guess that's just kind of it. But it shows you the shoulder protection. You can put the shoulder protectors in if you'd like those, or the elbow protectors. So let's take this off and try to do that. So let's see, how do we get this off without pulling all my clothes off? Man, this is warm. It's not that hot here, but this is a ridiculously warm jacket. I'm normally better at taking on and putting off clothes, trying to do it without showing too much of my body. Okay, so here we go. So we have the place. Let's see what we got going on here. So here we have a little Velcro section, and we can open this up, and we can put in our shoulder. So we can put our shoulders in there. So then we have shoulder protection. You can kind of see now, it'll have like shoulder pads in there. And then we would have the same things with the elbows. And I think we would have the back protection as well with this hard piece here. So how cool is that? So it comes with all the different protection. If you take off all the pieces, it's just a really nice jacket. But with them on, it is definitely a good biking jacket. And then up here on the front too, I should have showed you while I had it on. There's a nice zipper section here. So you can have stuff in it in your belly as you're going. Keep all your little pouchy items as you go. So it's a really nice jacket. It's by the Iron JIA'S, and I like it. And you can take the liner, the inside fuzz in there out, I guess. If you want to take it out and have it as a little bit lighter of a jacket, you could. You could probably just even wear the inner liner if you needed to once you get to where you're going. So how cool is that? Really nice jacket. It's got all the different, great stitching. Look at that. I mean, this is just a really nice quality jacket. And here's some little tag. I mean, it just looks stellar. Got the little logo on there, the logo on the top too. So Very, very nice. So thumbs up, very nice setup here. I love it. I guess that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask away, but there we go. Thanks, bye.